If space is limited, you can convert from round ducting to rectangular flat channel using an adapter. In this example, we're extracting using a 100mm extract point. We'll use a offcut of round ducting, connect to our round to rectangular adapter. We will connect our rectangular ducting, noticing that the fittings in rectangular are female and the straight duct is male. So these all slide together and then connect to our inline fan. The most common rectangular duct system for 100mm ventilation is 110x54mm. This flat channel system is widely used for bathroom fans and low power cooker hoods. The system includes a wide range of fittings such as connectors, bends, adapters and external grills, making it easy to build a complete duct run.